Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter 8, email. First, let's see the picture of email. This is the picture of email. Let us know about this in detail. Part 1. In this chapter we have 13 topics, but in first part we are going to complete total 7 topics. Let us know first what is an email. Earlier people used to write letter by hand to their beloved ones. First, people used to write the letter by their hand to their relative one. Nowadays, internet has given us the facility to send or receive the message across the world through email. Email has given us the facility that we can send and receive the message anywhere in our world. Email is an electronic mail which can be used to send message to multiple people sitting at different geographic location in few seconds. Even email has given us the facility that we can send the message to the multiple peoples wherever they are sitting and within a few seconds. So it is an instant and convenient way of correspondence. This is an instant way that you can send message within a few seconds. It is created in a similar way as the conventional handwritten letter. ये एग्जैक्टली वैसे ही लेटर होगा जैसे आप अपने किसी रिलेटिव को हैंड से लिखकर लेटर पोस्ट करते हैं, बिल्कुल ये वैसा ही लेटर है. Beside your message, you can also attach picture, audio and video through an email. These are called attachments. In this chapter, you will study about how to start with an email and advantages of email. Besides, you can even attach your picture and audio video in your emails, and even you will learn the advantages of an email. Email account. The basic and foremost requirement to get started with an email is to create an email account. Before you start with an email, first you have to create your email account. You can receive, create and send message from personal email account. Even you can receive the message, you can send the message to anyone by your personal account. There are many websites which gives you an options to create free email account. Many websites are there which will allow you to create your free email account like www.yahoo.com, www.gmail.com, etc. These are the two websites which allows you to create your free email account in your Google. In order to create an email account, you need to fill an online form which requires your personal detail. If you want to create your email account, you have to fill the online form also. Once you create an email account, you will assign with a unique email address. As you have created your account, you will sign with an unique email address. Now, let us know what is an email address. An email address of a person contains a username and a domain name. A person contains username and a domain name in an email address. Username is the name of a user email account. Username is the name of an user whose account is there, and the domain name which identifies that which website you have used in internet. For example, remasingh@gmail.com. Here, Rima Singh is the username by which the server identifies a particular user. The word Rima Singh identifies the which person is using the email address, while gmail.com is the domain name by which the server identifies a particular website on the net. Gmail.com is a domain name which identifies the which website you are using. Now moving further. Creating an email account. In order to create an email account, follow the steps. First, connect your computer to internet and open a website that create email account for free. For example, www.gmail.com. First, you have to open your computer internet and then you open the website, that is www.gmail.com, and this gmail.com creates a free email account for you. Select the create account option and online registration form opens on the screen. Then you have to click on the create account option and then an online form will be displayed on the screen. Fill the required details in the space provided and accept the agreement. An email account is created. You will have to fill all the details of that and then you have to click accept and agreement, and then your email account is created. Now let us see the picture of an online registration form. This is online form. You have to fill all the details given here. Now moving further, to use an email account, you just need to log in or sign in process varies from website to website, but the feature of this mail account are same. Wherever you log in or sign up your email account, but the account's features will be same. Let's see the features. Inbox. All the received mail are displayed in an inbox. All the mail which you will receive will be displayed on your inbox. Each message is displayed by the header showing the name of a sender, subject of mail, date when the mail is received, and sometimes the size of a mail. In the header it will show you the name of a sender, subject, date, and sometimes the size also of a mail is shown to you, that how much size or how much MB is used in the mail which has been sent to you. Now let us see the picture of inbox. Compose. These features allow you to write your email. You have to select compose option. A new message window will be displayed on the screen. Compose. When you will click on the compose, you can even write your own email. You can even send your mail to the other person, means that your friends or your relative. When you will click on compose, a new message window will display on your screen. Now let us see the picture of compose in your email, how it is seen. Let us see new message window, what appears in that. Now important components of new message window. 2. This field requires the email address of a person whom you want to send the email. Over here you have to write the email address of a person whom you want to send the mail. CC. CC stands for carbon copy. This requires the email address of a person whom you want to send the copy of a mail. Over here you need an email address of whom you wants to send the copy of your mail. Moving further, BCC. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Same like CC, it is also used to send the copy of the mail. Even you can send the mail copy by BCC also. It is used to send copy of a mail, but the email address in this field will not be displayed to the recipient other than the person to whom message is BCC. But when you write the email address on BCC, the only person which is in BCC can see the message, but other two person whom you have written on to NCC cannot see the person whose email address you have written in BCC. Subject. It shows the brief introduction about the message given to recipient. Subject shows the brief introduction of the message which you have sent to the person. Now message. The space is given to write your message as you do in a conventional letter. You can use the different formatting features to format your letter using the toolbar given at the bottom. You can now means that you can write the message in your compose. Hover down, the space is given to you. You can write over there your message as you send a conventional letter. You can even use the formatting features which are given at a toolbar at a bottom. Now let us see the picture of this also. Moving further now, sending an email. Once you have completed your message, you need to click on the send button to send the mail to the mentioned recipient. As you just completed your message, lastly you have to click on the send button to send the message to your relative one. Now attaching a file to an email. How you can attach a file to your email? You can attach file to your email. Follow the steps. How you can attach your file to your email? Let's see the steps also. First, click the attach file icon present on a toolbar given at the bottom of the new message window. When you see the new message window over down. An icon is given to you of attachment. Click on that. The open dialog box appear on a screen. The opener dialog box will appear on a screen. Browse and select the desired file or files to attach. Whichever file you want to attach, you just click on. Select the open option. The file get attached to your mail and finally click on the send button. Then you just click on the open option button. Then automatically your file will be attached to your mail, and then you just click on a send button. Your message including with your file or a photograph or a video, audio, whatever you have attached, will send to your friend or a person whom you want to send the mail. Over here we have completed total 7 topics of an email. In the next part we will continue with some more features of an email and some more important things about email.